Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Tobin Talks. It's been a minute since we've done this, so we're going to start back up and talk about some important changes to Florida's condo reform laws. If you don't know the history, and most people do by now, the Surfside tragedy where 100 people were killed due to Condo Association kicking the can down the road on necessary repairs produced significant changes to the way Florida regulates condos and specifically to the way they handle their reserve requirements. Those changes, which took place over the last 3 or 4 years, have now created a real hardship in the market for some of the older buildings who had been deferring condo repairs and specifically deferring condo reserves to pay for those repairs. It's caused significant assessments that have caused some people to sell or lose their house in foreclosure. So the legislature came up with House Bill 913, which the governor signed into law over the summer and is now in existence as a law. What that change does is it gives some relief to condo associations and therefore condo owners. It gives relief by, number one, requiring that the SIRS report, SIRS, Structural Integrity Reserve Study, now associations have until December 31 of 25 to complete them. It had been a year earlier. Many associations have completed these studies, some have not. These studies really are intended to tell the board and its owners what repairs, structural and necessary repairs, will be needed over time, when they'll be needed, and how much they will cost. That then forms the basis for the association's board to come up with required reserves. Now, the House Bill 913 also gave some relief to associations by raising the minimum required reserve amounts to repairs now in excess of $25,000. It had been $10,000. Boards can now pause reserve requirements if there's something urgent that the milestone inspection, another change in the law intended to comply with local building requirements. Associations can now put things off if there's something more urgent. There were some other changes to the law, a number of them, and you can find them online or you can contact our office for more info. One of the more important changes was buyers buying a condominium now have 7 days rather than 3 days to review the required disclosure, which is mainly the SIRS report, the milestone inspection report. There'll be new condo riders coming out soon to reflect these changes. So it's pretty comprehensive. It's hard to do it in a couple minutes. Maybe I'll do another one soon. But if you have questions, by all means, reach out to our office. We always love hearing from you. And thanks very much for tuning in. We'll see you at another edition of Tobin Talks Real Property soon. Bye-bye.